Hi, welcome to the renovation of Baywatch 1813, an oceanfront condo in North Myrtle Beach. The first time we went there, we knew we wanted to buy an oceanfront condo, but this one needed work. Here's the bedroom before. It's very bland. That carpet was horrible. Now, as you can see, we have brand new luxury vinyl tile all throughout. We went with a gray wall with some coral accent, with crisp white sheets, and brand new furniture throughout. And of course, a new washer and dryer, because everyone needs a washer and dryer at the beach. The bathroom before is very bland and boring, needed more storage. So there's the new vanity. It has about 6 different drawers, a new toilet bowl, a new surround tile around the tub, new vanity top and hooks, and all new paint throughout. And this was the best part. This was the living room before. That carpet was hard to get up. There was about 50 pounds of sand in there. We were finally glad to get rid of it and get something much nicer, which, as you could see, it's so much airier and bright now. Got rid of that carpet. Gray walls. That little piece of furniture there has board games and different things like that. But look at that view. Oh my gosh, the ocean is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. In the kitchen, we decided to knock down that wall. And as you could see, the kitchen came out beautifully. New appliances, new kitchen cabinets, nice tile backsplash, a dedicated coffee nook. But to me, the best part is this granite. We went a little bit extra on the money, but it was worth it. It looks like the ocean to me moving in and out on the shore. It's so pretty. Well, I hope you liked it. If you did, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. It really helps us out. Thank you so much.